Hey guys, Josh Winton here with Discreet Restoration. Today we are on site at a property in Miami Beach, down in Miami-Dade County, where our team recently finished a mold remediation project that related to some window leaks here from these guys, where we had some water intrusion that came in and started displaying itself on some of the baseboards that are present inside of this living room area. And what I'm doing here today is actually an evaluation, just a post-remediation evaluation where we used our laser particle counter. In the back you can see we've got a spore trap pump set up, where we were actually taking some readings on the air quality specific to mold. We're going to have these samples here, this one in particular, sent out to one of our local laboratories, where they'll give us an independent third-party perspective on what's going on within the air here, if there's any anomalies, anything that stands out that we don't like to see, typically indoors. We do get these by the end of the same business day. So for example, if you have us complete work on a Monday and you've got an independent verification set up for a Tuesday, we will make sure by end of day or close of business on Monday that we've got the results back for our internal sampling. We can verify that our work is done and complete, and we are ready for that independent third-party company. So just wanted to kind of take you guys a little bit of a walk on what's going on in the backdrop there. Well, let's start with the overarching display here, which is we've got a containment barrier that surrounds a portion of this living room, where it's being held in place by extension poles. We've got some painter's tape to make sure we're not peeling paint off of surfaces. In the back you've got a pretty red zipper, and what this zipper allows us to do is to make entry and exit while limiting the time that this partition stays open. So for example, we can open up the zipper, step out, close the zipper back up when we're under negative air pressure, where we've got this hole right here utilized, as you can see down there. Typically we'll have this machine, which will be ducted out of this hole while all the work is going on. And what that allows us to do is to make sure that we're collecting all of the debris that's being expelled into the air while our team is doing the controlled demolition services and also the subsequent cleaning. So today we've got it set up in circulation mode, so to speak, where we've already completed the work. There's no visible dust throughout. The preliminary laser particle counts when our team was on site were relatively low, which gives us the go-ahead and make adjustments to the equipment and start scrubbing the air. So what's going on now at this point is the air within this space, within these four walls, so to speak, is being controlled by this dehumidifier and this HEPA air scrubber, also known as an air filtration device. Depending on what my results come back as today will dictate if our company is going to be back in here tomorrow to make any adjustments to anything. Visibly, from the visible standpoint, everything looks great. We just like that independent laboratory consultation, if you will, to confirm or deny what we're visibly seeing. And assuming everything comes back well, that's where we can get lined up the third-party company who can actually come in. This is going to be your state-licensed mold assessor, who will come in and independently verify in the form of a post-remediation verification that everything is copacetic. These four walls can come back down and the repair process can then take place, or the four walls can stay up if we want to further control the debris. So like I said, just wanted to kind of take you guys in on a walkthrough of what goes on in the day-to-day, show you some of the instruments that we use, this high-powered flashlight, spore trap pump there in the back. We've got equipment that's regulating the ambient conditions in here, and this is kind of a little sneak peek inside what goes on when you see these built inside of your homes or businesses. So if you have any questions, you can reach out to us toll-free at 888-405-2923. As always, you can find us on the web at discreetrestoration.com. And stay tuned for us to posterize the information to reach out to us in just a couple minutes. Until the next time.